Hey, hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you my 2 times per year 10-minute leather care routine. My leather routine is actually very simple. First I use wet leather wipes. Wet leather wipes. Leder Clever Care. Ein tolles Produkt. Feuchttücher aus Deutschland. Any weather lead wipe will do, but basically what you do is first remove all the stuck dirt from your leather. Then afterwards you let it dry, and then you put your leather care product of your choice on a pad or on a microfiber towel and you massage it in. I have this product from Zonax. It's very good, but you can also just use a spray or a cheaper product. Just make sure you read on the back that it does protect against UV, because that's going to be your #1 enemy for aging leather. Step 1 is actually very simple. That is to vacuum clean the leather seats, or just remove that any particles are gone, because you really don't want to massage them in the leather seat, because that might cause small scratches on the leather. Once you've removed these stuck particles, what also works really well is to get the Swiffer, which removes all of the remaining dust. So after completing step 1, step 2 is to get the lead weather wipes and to start cleaning the leather surface and to dissolve all the dirt that's stuck on there that you've accumulated from sweating, greasing or farting or whatever you do on these leather car seats. And I really like these German Polyboy ones. I buy them from DM in Germany. You can also order them on Amazon because they just stay very wet. I recommend that you use one leather wipe for each part of your seat. So one for the down part and another one for the up part. And as you can see here, the leather doekjes, the leather towels, they're nice and wet. And here, I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's actually already quite some dirt coming off it. Imagine what's all trapped in your car seat, and that's why you need to do this 2 times per year. If you don't clean them well, the leather care product will not attach and do its job and seal and protect your leather. Yeah, and without a doubt the most dirty part, of course, will be where your hands are touching the leather steering wheel. So there I would use as many wipes until you don't see any more coloration on your wipes. And just like with the seats, make sure that these parts where the leather is knitted together you hit very well, because those are hardest to remove. Yeah. Lederpflege in meine Lederhose. Yeah, I love leather care. I love it. So this is how much I use. More is more and less is definitely not more, in my opinion. Use it until you can see that it really goes in and your leather will look fantastic. I recommend 1 heart per section and then you always get it right. Sehr schön. Ja. Oh yeah, alles geht rein, everything goes in. And you think, oh, why are you doing this, TJ? This is way too much what you're using. And oh, look, it's too much, and yeah, the product is being wasted. But I'll tell you what, it may look like a lot, but if your car is sitting in the burning sun, and it gets blasted by UV rays, what do you think this leather is going to look like if you don't treat it sufficiently? What do you think is going to happen to the leather over time? How do you think it will start cracking? And I'm just trying to say, like this, just rub it around, and if it's too much you can put it here. You will definitely keep your car in absolute top shape, in mint condition. And then if you ever want to sell your car, the resale value of your car will be amazing. And that's what this is about. Or if you just are not planning to sell your car will keep on looking great. And that's why I think this is so important. And I'm very passionate about car leather seat care, leather steering wheel care. And it's good to do this 2 times per year. Your car deserves it. Yeah, and also when you use a small pad like this, put it in when you go to the steering wheel. Fold it double, and then you can very easily spread all the leather care products around your steering wheel for an even distribution. And just, I mean, look at that. The steering wheel looks already amazing. If the steering wheel could talk, it would say, "Oh, thank you, thank you. I'm absorbing this. I need it so much." And imagine how this has been sitting in the sun and in the UV, and how that leather, which is actually sort of a live product, really is craving this what we've put on it now. It would probably speak German, because we're using German products, and it would say like, "Es ist so geil, was du machst. Herzlichen Dank. Ich liebe es." Burger while you wait 10 minutes, and then when you come back, I mean, this is so cool. I mean, it looks absolutely amazing. It's super smooth to the touch, and it smells. It just smells fantastic. It smells so good. The leather looks amazing. Also here in the front, leather seats look brand new. Are very well protected against UV and whatever you pour on it, fart on it, sweat on it, or grease on it. And your steering wheel looks brand new, super smooth, ready for whatever the winter season is going to throw at it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked my 10-minute routine that I do 2 times per year for the steering wheels and for the leather seats. And I mean, with the nice sunset here in the Netherlands, the Opel Ampera E Chevy Bolt EV electric car looks absolutely amazing. The leather has been revived. You've done this. It took 15 minutes. It wasn't hard, but the result is absolutely amazing. And when somebody comes to sit in your car and says, "Oh, it looks so beautiful and how nice this leather," you know exactly what you did it for. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what's your favorite leather routine. And please subscribe if you haven't. Contact me for any questions. See you in the next video. And have a great evening. Mit viel Liebe for Lederschutz. Auf Wiedersehen.